Friends, today in this video we will be talking about body language in detail. You have heard many times in my personality development videos and motivation videos that I have talked about body language much. Why? Because it's a basic element of a personality development. Because whenever you meet or greet someone, the major part of your communication is through your body language. Rather than speaking verbally, you create a gesture, you create some expression, you show some body language. That means communication major part is communicated by body language. It's an unspoken element of communication. It reveals our true feelings and emotions, whether we want to hide our feelings or not, but it will automatically come out through our body language. So these are the major expressions of communication to others about your body language. These are the basic what you can say that element of communicating with someone while showing your body language, your posture, your expressions, your gestures. Today in this video I will be discussing about 5 examples of body language which every individual in their life do these gestures, do these expressions, and they don't know what they mean actually to other person, but through these gestures you are being judged by the other person. So do watch this video till the end.
September we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Ruhankit. Today in this video we'll be talking about 5 examples of a body language through which you are being judged, but you don't know how you show off to other people. So do watch this video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed for my channel, do subscribe for my channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos in future. So let's start the video. Sign number 1, which we will be talking about, the examples of body language, the gestures or more common gestures or non-verbal communication which you communicate to others but you don't know what does it mean to other. So I will be telling you 5 examples. The example number 1. Now talking about the example number 1, that means whenever you are standing with folded hands across your chest, that means you are disengaged and you are a stubborn person. You are not open for conversation with anybody else. You are egoistic person. You don't want any person to come to you and have a word with you. Now coming on to example number 2. Example number 2 is very common. Whenever you interact with someone, whenever you introduce yourself with someone, or in a group, in a meeting, or in a family also, or maybe some guests come to your home, you should greet that person. You should always have a smile on your face, like this much. Now smiles are of different categories. There may be iconic smiles, there may be shyness smile, there may be warm smile. So it depends on the situation, it depends on the circumstances in which you are dealing with. So have always a smile on your face whenever you are meeting with some person. That means you are interested in having conversation with the other person. You are open for conversation. You are inviting, you are attracting people from all of them to come and have a conversation. Now example number 3. It is mostly commonly seen in the interviews time that the candidates are tapping their fingers. Tapping their fingers. Now tapping these fingers means that you are impatient person. You are having impatient, you are feeling nervous while you are waiting for something. So it shows that whenever you are going for an interview, you will watch each and every candidate in the same position, feeling nervous, feeling impatient, what is going on inside the interview room, what will happen, whether I will be selected for the interview or not. So that means your body language reveals that you are impatient, you are nervous. So don't show these signs whenever you are going for an interview, because you are being judged by the interviewer as per your body language. As per your non-verbal communication, that you are tapping fingers, you are nervous, you are feeling nervous, you're not a calm person. Now, example number 4. Whenever a speaker is communicating to a lot of masses or to individual or to a group of individuals, small group of individuals. So whenever the speaker is communicating, few individuals are listening very carefully. They are concentrating hard. They are interested to what the speaker is saying. So how they will explain their gesture, or how they will communicate to the speaker that they are listening? By tilting their heads. This means that you are listening properly. Now, fifth example is stapling your fingers like this. You have seen this position, you have seen this posture among the leaders, the communicators, the motivational speakers. They speak while stapling these fingers and palms apart. That means you are having authority, you are having power, that you are communicating to a large number of masses. You are having the knowledge, you are giving the knowledge to large number of masses, you are having authority, you are the boss of that particular moment. So it shows that you are having some power, some authority to communicate to the large number of masses. So friends, these were few body language examples which I have communicated you. A lot more to come in my upcoming videos. I will be explaining in detail about different types of body language, as well as I will be making videos on the body language sections. Body language sections mean there are 3 portions of body language. So I will be talking about that: face expressions of body language, then abdomen, then lower body. So I will be explaining each and every part in detail about body language, how you can develop your personality as per body language. So if you like the video, do give thumbs up, share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.